Have you been worried about kennel cough cats? Pet owners will agree with me that kennel cough seems to be a remarkably uneasy disease in canines. In reality, kennel cough in dogs could be compared to a common cold in humans. Study shows that kennel cough is in fact induced by a PC virus, not a bacteria or disease as initially thought. As a result of it, kennel cough can spread conveniently, and while the symptoms of it are undoubtedly scary to hear, acquiring kennel cough is not always a sign of something a lot more dangerous or major. So all you pet dog owners there, no should fret. All you should do is seek various nostrum for kennel cough. This is because, fortunately, most instances of kennel cough do not require clinical interest. There are a lot of various nostrum for kennel cough. Several of them include conventional home treatments, residence steaming treatments, soothing botanicals, and homeopathic remedies. Below you will certainly discover better specifics concerning these various procedures here. Residence steaming treatments. Most animal owners agree that this is one of the most efficient methods of dealing with kennel cough in pet dogs. It entails placing of a vaporizer that has warm water in an area. Warm showers are also excellent for offering this kind of vapor treatment. It is suggested that pet owners accomplish this process at least 3 times in a span of 1 day. Among the wonderful things to understand is that this one of the most affordable techniques made use of in ensuring that kennel cough is eliminated. Was this procedure, the steam produced actually opens up a pet's bronchial tubes, which avoids stopping up of mucus or various other discharges from lodging in a dog's lungs. When these bronchial tubes are clear, the kennel cough symptoms will be gone. Conventional Residence TherapiesThis home remedy includes easy actions that can be done in the house to take out the kennel cough infection from your pet dog's system. For example, pet owners ought to ensure that their pet dogs are kept in tidy kennels. A great way to do this is to see to it your pet dog is effectively bathroom educated, to make sure that they are not resting or residing in damp places from unmindful peeing. One more vital point to remember is to make sure that your pet dog eats healthy and on a regular basis. This will lessen their vulnerabilities to various infections. Wet food and fresh food aid in this, allowing your pet to heal faster compared to anticipated.Relaxing. BotanicalsThere are different products on the market that can be made use of by pet owners as nostrum for kennel cough. These items help in building up the immune device of your canine in order to avoid infections. Several of these items feature Plantago Lanceolata, Bryonia C6, and Echinacea Purpurea.Homeopathic remedies and natural home remedies verified to be the most reliable nostrum for kennel cough. These home remedies feature KC self-defense, Respoke and homeopathic nose comfort. Make certain that you make use of these solutions as advised in order for them to be effective. With the number of nostrum for kennel cough readily available to pet dog owners, I make sure you can agree with us because there is no need to be extremely stressed if your pet deals this infection. While kennel cough symptoms could appear unpleasant when your pet is experiencing them, in the scheme of points, they are absolutely nothing too severe. If you are unsure about the cough though, I want to tell you about a way you can be sure. Questions like kennel cough cats. I found it very helpful. Don't forget you can get questions answered like kennel cough cats will help you sleep better knowing your dog is happy and healthy.